Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Hinge account, follow these step-by-step instructions to add a verified badge to your dating profile and build trust with potential matches. Step 1. Open the Hinge app on your smartphone and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to view your profile. Step 3. Look for the verification option, which is typically accessible through your profile settings. Tap on the gear icon or settings button. Step 4. Scroll through the settings menu until you find Verify Your Photos or Account Verification. Step 5. Tap on the verification option to begin the photo verification process. Step 6. Hinge will explain how the verification works. You'll need to take a real-time video selfie that mimics a specific pose shown in one of your profile photos. Step 7. Select the profile photo you want to mimic for verification. Hinge will show you the pose you need to replicate. Step 8. Position yourself in good lighting and hold your phone at a similar angle to your original photo. Step 9. Tap Record and mimic the pose from your selected profile photo. You'll record a short video selfie showing that you're the same person in your photos. Step 10. Review your verification video to make sure it clearly shows you replicating the pose from your profile photo. Step 11. Submit your verification video. Hinge's team will review your submission to ensure it matches your profile photos. Step 12. Wait for approval, which typically takes a few hours to a few days. You'll receive a notification once your verification is complete. Step 13. Once approved, a blue verification checkmark will appear on your profile, indicating to other users that you've been verified and your photos are authentic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.